What is a body scan exercise?
A body scan exercise is a mindfulness practice that guides your attention through each part of your body, helping you notice sensations, release tension, and improve your mind-body connection. This technique promotes relaxation, increases self-awareness, and can reduce stress. By scanning from head to toe, you learn to recognize both comfort and discomfort in your body without judgment.
Preparing for a body scan.
Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Loosen any tight clothing and set aside a few minutes for yourself. Take a moment to focus on your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. This helps signal to your body and mind that it's time to enter a state of relaxation and increased awareness.
Beginning the body scan, head to shoulders.
Notice any sensations, pressure, temperature, or tension. Move down to your face, jaw, and neck. Allow any tightness to soften as you breathe. Continue to your shoulders, checking for heaviness or discomfort, and invite your muscles to relax. Stay present with each area, simply observing how your body feels in this moment.
Scanning the torso and arms.
Add your attention to your chest, noticing the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Scan through your stomach, back, and sides, feeling any movement or stillness. Bring awareness to your arms, from shoulders to fingertips. Notice if your hands feel warm or cool, relaxed or tense. Let each inhale and exhale help soften and release any areas of tension.
Exploring hips, legs, and feet.
Move your focus to your hips and pelvis. Notice any contact or pressure from the surface beneath you. Scan down through your thighs, knees, calves, and ankles. Sense temperature, weight, and touch. As you complete the scan, linger on parts that need more attention, and let a sense of relaxation spread throughout your entire body.
Ending the body scan mindfully.
Take a few final deep breaths and gently bring your attention back to your surroundings. Notice any changes in how you feel, physically or mentally. Remind yourself that it's normal for your mind to wander. Simply returning your focus is part of the practice. Carry this renewed body awareness and sense of calm with you as you continue your day.